Okay, now we've got running headphones. All right, running and headphones. What does it mean? As you go for jogging, so you wear some headphones, these are those headphones. And then we read the subtitle. Listening to music on headphones makes running and even working out at the gym much more enjoyable. Here are some alternatives to choose from. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all these are headphones. Okay? And then we've got questions 9 to 14. These are the features of the headphone. We have to match these features with headphones. Okay? In this case, it's a good idea to read the passage, first paragraph, and then come to the questions and read all the questions. So let's make a start. A. Plantronics Backbeat Fit. And don't worry about the name, just read about it. These headphones are really tough, underline tough. Tough means unbreakable, they will not be out of order and all that. No, the word is photography with stress. Yeah. So these headphones are really tough, so you don't need to worry about just throwing them into your bag before or after a workout. Like you can throw them, they are tough, they will not go out of order. As well as providing reasonably clear sound. Underline clear sound. They will also last a remarkable 8 hours. Underline last remarkable 8 hours. What does that mean? Battery timing is 8 hours on a single charge. It has good battery timing. And headphones are tough. Even if you throw them, nothing will happen. Now, let's go through the questions. Question number 9. These headphones which suit someone who doesn't mind spending a lot. Underline doesn't mind spending a lot. It means expensive headphones. But A, they did not talk about expensive headphones, so it's not that. Question number 10. Battery on these headphones has a surprisingly long life, 8 hours. So what is 8 hours? Surprisingly long life. Question number 10, answer is A. And you should cross number 10 from the list. Only number 10. So that you don't read it again to manage your time. Question number 11. It is possible to keep in contact with other people while using these headphones. Means you can attend calls as well. As you are using the headphone, you can attend call. Any mention in paragraph A? No, leave it, but just underline keep in contact with other people. Question number 12. Although these headphones are cheaper than most, music sound quality good through them. So underline cheaper and underline quite good. Music sounds quite good. Question number 13. These headphones are very strong and do not require gentle handling. Very strong and not require gentle handling. Exactly, that's A. Because they said these headphones are really tough. And then they said you can just throw them. Throwing means not gentle handling. Question number 13, answer is A. And cross number 13 from the list as well. Now we've got question number 14. These headphones allow users to move around their playlist of music easily while they are exercising. Move around your playlist means you can change the song. Okay, so underline move around playlist. Right? Now, we've read the questions and 2 questions we have answered. Now, we will not read those 2 questions again. Please come to paragraph B. Paragraph B. These headphones are impressively practical, designed to fit firmly in your ear, however energetic you are. They are tight without being uncomfortable and have a handy remote and a mic for phone calls. Handy remote and mic for phone calls. Which option? 11. It is possible to keep in contact with other people while using these headphones. So handy remote and a mic for phone calls. Question number 11, answer is B. Clear? All right. Then we have Nokia. These stylish headphones have fantastic bass, giving you a bit of extra oomph when you run. They also have a tangle-free cable which avoids any time-consuming messing about before you set off on your run. Is there any option that matches with that? because we are only left with 9, 12 and 14. So 9 is spending a lot of money. Then we've got option 12, cheaper, and option 14, playlist and all that. Okay, let's go on to option D, Sony. It's hard to imagine using any other headphones once you've tried these. As well as being wireless and waterproof at a depth of 2 meters, they even have a built-in MP3 player that can hold up to 1000 songs. Does it ring any bell? MP3 player that can hold up to 1000 songs. A charge provides up to an hour of playback. 14. Okay, 14 is these headphones allow users to move around their playlist. Listen, they only talked about memory. They said you can hold 1000 songs in it, but it doesn't have anything to do with allow users to move around their playlist. So there is no option with matches with paragraph D. Now we go on to paragraph E. So 2 paragraphs went blank without any question, and that is possible. Okay, option E, veteran. If you are on a tight budget, what does it mean? Cheap. If you are on a tight budget means you don't have enough money. Okay, if you're on a tight budget, it can always feel risky buying a bottom of the market pair of headphones. So if you're on a tight budget means 12. Although these headphones are cheaper. Now let's see, music sounds quite good. Let's read on. But with these you needn't worry. Not only do they provide fair sound quality, they also come with a pouch to keep them in. Fair sound quality. What is fair sound quality? Exactly, cheaper and music sounds quite good. Quite good means fair sound quality. So question number 12, answer is E. Now please cross 12 from the list as well. Now we've got paragraph F, happy plugs. The sound quality on these is decent, although you are probably not going to be hugely impressed. They also come with a handy remote built into the cable to skip and pause songs. Yes, to skip and pause songs with while you work out. So skip and pause means option 14. These headphones allow users to move around their playlist. Okay, move around means skip and pause. And for playlist, they have used the word songs. So for 14, correct answer is F. Now what are we left with? 9 only. And who doesn't mind spending a lot of money? Option G. If money is not an issue. All clear. If money is not an issue means these headphones would suit someone who doesn't mind spending a lot and all that. So question number 9, option G will be the right answer. Okay? All right.